Hello everyone, I am Kajal Jha, lecturer in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is how to write the POS expression for the given truth table, and how we will use the K-map for the simplification of any logical expressions. So in a previous video, we will see the how to write the canonical SOP expression for the given truth table. So now in this video, we will see how to write the canonical POS expression for a given truth table. So steps are: first step is, from the given truth table, consider only those combinations of the inputs which produce an output y is equal to 0. For a SOP form, this condition will be, for SOP form, step 1 will be find out those combinations of the inputs which will produce the output 1. And for SOP form, this is nothing but find those combinations which will produce the output 0. Okay, this is reverse. So normally we have to see the truth table, and the y, where the y is equal to 0, that combinations and that inputs we will take. So first, so here first, then here second, and third and fourth. Okay, these four combinations we will take. Why? Because here y is equal to what? 0. Okay, y is equal to what? 0 here. Okay, so we will take all those four combinations. So step 2, write the max terms only for such combinations. So write a max term for such combinations, and we will see how we can write, how we will write the max term and mean term. So max term consists of plus sign in between the variables, and for 0 it will shows the no bar over here, no bar over the variable, and 1 shows the bar over the variable. So first is what? A plus b plus c. This is the first combination for 0 0 0. Then 0 1 1 shows a plus b bar plus c, that is m3. And third one, 1 0 1 shows a bar plus b plus c bar, that is m5. And 1 1 0 shows a bar b bar c, that is m6. Okay, these are the and then what we have to do at last, and these max terms to obtain the expressions in the canonical POS form. So we get ABC first term, then dot, that is our ending that term together. So a plus b bar plus c, then a plus b plus c, and a plus b plus a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Okay, here a bar plus b bar plus c bar is present. Okay, so this expression, this is the required logical expression in a SPOS form. This expression can also be written as y is equal to, this is nothing but m0. So m0 dot, this is m3 dot m3 dot m5 and dot m6. Okay, or we can write that y is equal to pi 0 3 5 6. Okay, y is equal to pi 0 3 5 6. In that way we can write the canonical POS form from the given truth table. Now conversion from SOP to POS and vice versa. How we can convert the SOP form into POS form, and how we can convert the POS form into SOP form. It is important to note that the SOP and POS forms written for the same truth table are always logically equivalent. Okay, it is logically equivalent. So here we write a max term where the output is 0. Okay, so we will write the max term for 0 output, and we will write the mean term for the 1 output. Okay, we will write the mean term for the output where 1 is, y is give 1. Okay, this is nothing but mean term. This is nothing but mean term. So we will write the mean term a bar b bar c, a b bar c bar, and a b c. Okay, and we will write the max term, that is a plus b, then a plus b bar plus c, a plus b bar plus c bar, a bar plus b plus c bar, a bar plus b bar plus c. Okay, so first step, mean term and max term for the combinations. Okay, for these combinations, inputs producing y is equal to 1 and 0 respectively. Write the canonical SOP and POS expression. Write the canonical SOP. So plus all that, this is nothing but the SOP form, that is nothing but here you get A bar B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus ABC. This is nothing but the SOP form, and dot all that max term, dot all that max term, you will get the POS form, that is A plus B plus C dot A plus B bar plus C dot A plus B bar C bar dot A bar plus B plus C bar dot A bar plus B bar plus C. This is nothing but the POS form. It can be proved that equation 1 and 2 are equivalent. Okay, it can be proved that equation 1 and 2 are equivalent. Step 3, express output in terms of mean terms and max term. The output can be expressed in terms of mean term and max term. So this is nothing but, this is the M1. Okay, this is the M1, then this is M4. Okay, and this is M7, and this is what, M7. This is M4 and this is M7. So M1 plus M4 plus M7 in terms of mean terms. So summation of all the M, that is 147. Then Y is what? This is 0. This is 2. Okay, then it is 3. Okay, this is 3. Then it is 5. It is 5 and it is 6. Okay, so pi m 0 2 3 5 6, 0 2 3 5 6. Okay, then m0 dot m2 dot m3 dot m5 dot m6. This is nothing but the POS form. Okay, now in that way we will write all the we will write the POS and SOP form. Then algebraic simplification. Standard procedure for algebraic simplification. First, example 1, bring the given expression into the SOP form by using the Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorem. Okay, simplify the following 3 variables Boolean expression. Okay, you have to see here, this is nothing but a mean term. So we have to convert that in a standard SOP form. Why SOP? Because here mean terms are present and mean terms shows the SOP form only. If here y is equal to pi capital M and 0563, okay, any numbers should be there, then here we will find the POS form. Okay, why? Because here pi M is present, so it will shows we have to convert that expression into canonical POS form. Okay, so the given expression can be written in a SOP form as follows. Y is equal to what? M2 plus M4 plus M6. Okay. Then what represent M2? M2, how we will represent M2? That is nothing but binary of 2 is what? 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 1, 0. So 0 represents A bar, here B, and 1 represents B and 0 represents C bar. So A bar, B, C bar. Okay, then M4, how we can write M4? That is 4. What is the binary for 4? 1, 0, 0. Then how we can write? This is A, then B bar and C bar. This is second term. Then how we can write 6? 6 is nothing but 4 plus 2, that is 1, 1, 0. That is here A, then B. Okay, A, then B, and here C bar. This is A plus A, B, C bar. Then if you see here, there is any combined letter. Okay, there is any there is a common letter. If you see here, A bar, B, C bar, then C bar and A common. Okay, A and C bar is common in both the terms. So we will take outside. So A, C bar, and what is remaining? B bar and here B. You know that B bar plus B is nothing but the 1 using the laws. So y is equal to what? A bar, B, C bar is equal to A, C bar. So here if you see, C bar is common, so C bar take outside, and what will remaining here? A bar, B plus A. Okay, and you know that A plus BC is equal to A plus B and A plus C. Then how we can write the A bar B plus C? How we can write A bar plus B plus a. How we can write? That is a plus a bar. Okay, that is a plus a bar in a bracket, second bracket, a plus b. Okay, this is nothing but the simplification for that. So a bar b plus a is converted into a plus a bar into a plus b. So c bar is equal to a plus a bar is what? 1. Likewise b plus b bar is what? 1. Likewise a plus a bar is also 1. So a plus b. So answer is what? C bar into a plus b bars. So if you can see the a bar b c bar plus this total equation is simplify to c bar in a bracket a plus b. Okay, this is the algebraic simplification. This is the algebraic simplification means what? First we have to write? First bring the given expression into SOP form by using the Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorem. So first you have to convert this equation into that form, that is ABC form or Boolean laws means Boolean expression, SOP form. Then second, simplify the SOP expression using the product terms are from for a common factor. Means you have to take the common factor and rearrange the equation and then simplify it using the laws and Boolean expressions. Then next is Karnoff map or K-map simplification. Another simplification technique to reduce the Boolean expression overcomes the disadvantage of algebraic simplification technique. Then graphical method, here we don't need any laws, means you don't know if you not by heart here any laws, then also you can write the expression, simplified expression using the K-map. Then graphical method of simplification made up of rectangular boxes. Data in a truth table in a SOP and POS form can be represented by a K-map. Then K-maps can be written for a 2, 3, 4 up to 6 variables, ideally suitable for designing the combinational logic circuits using the either a SOP method or a POS method. So after such a simplification, the expression is called as the minimized expressions, which require a minimum number of gates and with a minimum number of inputs. Okay, this is nothing but the K-map is the another simplification technique for the Boolean expression. Likewise, we will see earlier using laws and using theorems, we will simplify the Boolean expressions. Now we will simplify the Boolean expression using the K-map technique. Then now we will see what is the K-map technique. Okay, K-map structure, how it is, it can be used for simplification of the Boolean expression. So K-map structure, a K-map comprises a box for every line in a truth table. So the zeros and ones written on the top or sides of the boxes represents the values of the corresponding variables. These zeros and ones are represents the values of the corresponding variables. Okay, values of the corresponding variables. So each row and column of K-map is labeled with the variable or a group of a variable and their complements. So cell 2 to the power n, where n is the number of variable. For a case of two variables, we will form the map consisting 2 to the power 2, that is nothing but the 4. So the K-map consists of the boxes. Okay, that is nothing but, if you see here the boxes, then the K-map consists of boxes. If the variables, then the number of cells, means what? This is the cells for the table. Okay, this is the cells. The number of cells is how we can calculate the number of cells, that is 2 to the power n, where n is the number of inputs. If you have to plot the two variable K-map, then n is nothing but what? 2. So 2 to the power 2 is nothing but what? 4. So it consists of 4 cells. If you see here, it consists of first cell, then second, third and fourth. This is two variable K-map. Okay, if the inputs are 3, then variables, then cells are 8. 2 to the power 3, then 2 cube is nothing but what? 8. So here 0 0 represents 0 and 1 written on the top. Okay, written on top and bottom, top and sides of the boxes represent the values of corresponding variables. Okay, so here we will see here here A inputs, that is nothing but we will take here inputs of A column, and here we take the inputs of B column. Then now if you see here A plus B, okay, then A bar plus B, then A plus B bar, A bar plus B. So first we have to write likewise. So first this is the value for the K map, two variable K map, that is first column is 0, then here it is 1, then 2 and 3. Okay, so 0 0, how we can write 0 0? This 0 and this 0 will make this cell, that is 0 0. Okay, then this 0 and this 1 we the make the cell 1 0, that is nothing but the 2. This 1 and this 0 will make the third cell, that is 0 1 3, and this 1 1 it shows the fourth cell, that is 3. Okay, now A bar B bar, this is the POS for max term. At 0 0 means A plus B, 1 0 means A bar plus B, 0 1 means A plus B bar, and 1 1 means A bar plus B bar for a max term. For a mean term, it is 0 represents bar, that is A bar B bar, then A B bar, then A bar B and A B. Now this is the three variables, so the cells are 8. If you count here, the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. Okay, 8 cells are present. So here 0 0 and here the true variables are present, that is B and C. So first combination is 0 0. Here two variables, so combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so first combination is how we can write that combination. So 0 0 0 1. Okay, so first 0 and 0 0, then 0 1, then we have to write 1 1 and then 1 0. Why we don't write like this? Why we don't write like this? Like here 0 0, here 0 1, here 1 0 and here 1 1. Why we write like this? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Why we write like that? Because if you see here, there is a one number is inverted, here 0 0, then here 0 is inverted as a 1 for a second column, then here 1, this 0 is inverted as a 1, this is second column, and here this 1 is converted into 0, that is inverted to 0 in a third column, in a fourth column. Okay, but if we write that 0 0, then 0 1, then 1 0 and here it is 1 1, then 0 is converted inverted to 1 in a second row, in a second column. This 0 is converted to 0 or 1, and this 0 is again converted to 0. This 1 is again converted to 1. So two inversions are takes place. Okay, so what, two bits are changed here, only one bits are changed, that is 0 to 1, then 1 to 0. Okay, then again 1 to sorry, wait, first we will clean all this. Okay, why we write like this, that is 0 1 3 3 2. Why we write this 0 1 3 2? Because the sequence is 0 1 2 3. Why we don't write 0 1 2 3? Why? Because if you see here, that is 0 0 0 1, here 0 0 is same number. Okay, this 0 and this 0 is the same number, but 0 is a one bit is change, that is 0 to 1, so one bit is change. Here again 1 1 is second, 1 1 is common, but here 0 is changed to 1, so one bit is again changed, and then this one is changed to 0, so one bit is again changed when we use that pattern, that is 0 1 3 2. But if we use this pattern, that is 0 0, okay, 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, that means 0 1 2 and 3. This is a sequence, but we don't use that sequence. Why? Because here 0 is as it is in a second bit, but this 0 is converted into 1, so single bit is changed. In a second and third, 0 is converted to 1, and this one again is converted to 0. That means here 2 bits are changed. But we don't have to change 2 bits, we have to change only 1 bit. Okay, again if you see here, there is 1 bit is changed, that is 0 to 1. Okay, so the sequence is not possible, so we have to write that 0 1 2 3. This sequence is right, we will here, that is 0 1 3 2, because here in each column only the 1 bits is changed. If you write this type, that is a 1 0 1 2 3, then here in a second and third column there are 2 bits are changed, and it is not possible, and it is, we have don't take it. So here we write that 0 1 3 2. Okay, so likewise 0 1 3 2, then 4 5 7 6, you have to write that 0 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 0 0 0, this is nothing but the 3 variable. For a 4 variable there are 4 columns, and 4 rows, that is nothing but the cells are 16s. If you count this 0 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, these 16 cells are present. So 2 variables are here and 2 variables are there, so a b and c d. So combinations are like this: 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0, 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So now how we can write here? 0 1 2 3. Okay, 0 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 7. If you see here, if you see, the 8 9 10 is not present over there. Why? Because this 11 and this 10 means these 1 1 and 1 0 consist. So here 0 1 2 3, so 8 9 10 11 is placed here. So 6, after 6 there is 8 9 10 11, and then here 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, this is the table for a 4 variable K map. Okay, now alternative way to label the K map. Okay, we can label the rows and columns of a K map in a different way. Okay, if a 2 variables, then we can place that a b. Okay, that is a and b. Likewise we will put here a and b like this. Okay, if you see here, we can put the a and b like that. Here a we put and here b, but in this we put a here and b here. You can change it. Okay, variable you can change it. Then you get what? M0 M1, then M2 and M3. If you see here, you get here M0 M1, here you get, if you change this a and b, then here you get 0, then 2, and here 1, and here 3. So you remember that if you change the sequence, then the number of this also changes. Okay, so here a b and this 0 1 0 1, then a b c. If you see here, you can write this a and b c. Okay, then the columns like that. Okay, that is 4 rows and 2 columns. So a is 0 1 and b is here 0 0, then 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. This is the another representation of 3 variables. Okay, then for 4 variables you can interchange the a b and c d. Okay, you can write the a b here also, and you can write the a b here also. Okay, this is nothing but the sequence, alternative way to label the K map. This is the labeling of the K map. Instead of labeling the rows and columns with the inputs and their complements, then a and ab etc., their values in terms of zeros and ones is used for a labeling. And inside the boxes, instead of writing the actual product term, the corresponding shorthand min term notations m, that is m0 m1 are entered. Okay, so we can write the m0 m1 m2 m3. Okay, like that. Here m0 m1 m3 m2. Okay, then m4 m5 m7 m6. Instead of writing the actual product term, we write actual product term means what, a plus b bar. Okay, this is actual product term, but instead of that we will write that m0 m1 or a capital M capital M2. Okay, like that. So truth table or to K-map, whenever a K-map is to practically use for a simplification, the entries inside the boxes are to written by referring to the given truth table. Inside the boxes of a K-map, we enter the values of a output y corresponding to the various combinations of ABC. Okay, for a two variable K-maps, uh, here A and here B, two variable K maps, so 0 1, and here also a 0 1. If we place, okay, this is a 4, so for 0 1 this is A and this is B. Okay, we change the sequence. So here A is 1, okay, here A is 0 and B is 0, so here is output is 0. Then for second 0 1, for 0 1, that is nothing but A is 0 and B is 1, then here, but here A is 0, but here A is 0 and B is 1, so we will put here, that is 0. Then A is 1 and B is 0, A is 1 and B is 0, that is nothing but A is 1, B is 0. So A is 1 and B is 0, that's placed here, because I change the sequence. Okay, here A is present lower side, okay, and B is present top side, but here B is present lower side and A is present top side. So 1 1, for 1 1 we place here 1 and here we place here 1. Okay, so change what sequence is change what here, M0 M1 M0 M1 M2 M3, and here M0 M2 M1 and M3. Okay, this sequence will change. So you can write the K-map like that. Again, for a three variable K-map, how we can write? So first 0 0 0, so all are 0, so here put 1. All are 0, then put 1 here. Then 0, A is 0, that is A is 0, so we take this row. Then find next combination, that is 0 1. Where is the 0 1? This. So we will put 0 on that. Okay, this 0 like that. Again A is 0, then again you see this row, and next combination is 1 0. Okay, next combination is 1 0 means this fourth column, so you write 0 over there. Okay, then likewise you have to write the inputs or the values in the K map. First you have to take a one input and then second input combinations you have to find and put up the y on that particular combination, for that particular combination. Okay, this is nothing but the truth table for the K map. And for four variable K map, if you see here four variable K map, then first is here 0 0 AB, okay, 2 2 pair of 2, that is AB is here and CD is here. For first column we will write for this. Okay, we will write for tick mark. Here if you see 0 0, okay, AB is 0 0, find out where is the AB is 0 0. So AB is 0 0 here, so you will take this row. Okay, then next is what, CD 0 1, then take the, 0 1, where is the 0 1? This is the 0 1. So 0 0 and 0 1, so write 0 here. Okay, this 0 is right here. Okay, this is nothing but the putting the variables in the K map, how to put y in the K map. Then second 1 0, find out the 1 0, where is the 1 0? This fourth row 1 0, and second and last is 0 0, where is the 0 0? This. So we will write the 1 over here. Okay, because here 1, so we will write this 1 over here, that is nothing but intersection 1 0 and this one. So intersection, that is nothing but this is contains the intersection. Likewise we will connect the line, that is line of intersection, like that we will write at the intersection point. Okay, so now 1 0, again 1 0, like this row, and what is the 1 1? That is nothing but this column, so you will write 1 here. Okay, you will write 1 here. Then again 1 1. Where is the 1 1? Then third row. Then you will concentrate only on the third row. Okay, then what is the next value? That is 1 0. 1 0 is where? Here. So this will connect here because we will consider only these values. So there 0 we will write. Okay, likewise you have to put up the K-map value in the table. Okay, now we will see how to simplify the logic expression, that is SOP and POS form, using the K-map technique in the next video. Thank you.